Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to create a name on lock screen on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here I'm gonna show you that on my lock screen there are no name at all, you guys. So if you wanna create a name or any text in this lock screen, you just have to go to the settings first, and after in the settings page you just have to go and open this home screen and lock screen option. Tap on it. Now go to the lock screen options. We'll see here the add text to lock screen option. You just have to tap on it. Here you can add or create your name or any text that you want. So here I'm gonna make a name first, yeah, and after to save it, tap on this save button and it will save. So here I'm gonna check again on my lock screen. There are already a name, yeah guys, at the bottom. So yeah, I think it's enough from me, a tutorial how to create a name on lock screen on Motorola G06 Power. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Goodbye.